Find the standard deviation, S, of sample data summarized in the frequency distribution below by using the formula below, where X represents the class midpoint, F represents the class frequency, and N represents the total number of sample values. Also compare the computed standard deviation to the standard deviation obtained from the original list of data values. Now, here we can use the formula, which you can see in the lecture notes. I'm going to show you how to use this when you're using StatCrunch. So over here, we're going to open up this data in a StatCrunch. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, open up in StatCrunch. And then we have our two columns. We have our interval column, and then we have our frequency column. So very similar to finding the mean of a frequency distribution, we're going to do the same thing to find the standard deviation of a frequency distribution. So we're going to come here, we're going to go to summary stats, but since this is a summary and it's grouped, we're going to go to the grouped binned data. Now the bins in are going to be the classes, which is the interval classes. The counts in are going to be the frequency. Okay, and now we want to find the sample standard deviation, so it's going to be this standard deviation, and then we're going to select compute. And over here it says round to 1 decimal place. So if we round this to 1 decimal place, that's going to be 9.9. So therefore we get 9.9 for the standard deviation. Now it says consider a difference of 20% between two values of a standard deviation to be significant. How does this computed value compare with the given standard deviation of 11.1? So let's take a look at 11.1. If we take 11.1 and then take 20% of that, that gives us 2.22. Okay, so if we subtract 11.1 from 9.9, we get the value of 1.2. So the difference, 20%, or the 20% difference is larger than the actual difference between the given standard deviation and the computed standard deviation. So now we're going to compare it. So it says the computed value is not significantly different from the given value. The computed value is significantly less than the given value, or the computed value is significantly greater than the given value. So therefore, we're going to say that the computed value is not significantly different from the given value. So we're going to select A, and there is our result.